Welcome back to FitLife Fusion, your go-to place for the best health tips and science-backed information on how to live a long and healthy life. Today's topic is a little controversial but super important. Never eat these 3 fruits after the age of 50 if you want to maintain your health and live longer. Yes, not all fruits are created equal, and while many are beneficial, there are certain fruits you should definitely avoid as you age. Let's get into it. As we age, our bodies undergo changes that affect how we process food. After 50, it's crucial to focus on a balanced diet that supports heart health, blood sugar levels, and digestive health. Many fruits provide vitamins and fiber, but some can actually accelerate health issues rather than prevent them. So, let's dive into the 3 fruits that you should avoid once you hit 50 to maintain your overall health and longevity. First on our list is one that might surprise you: grapes. Grapes are often touted for their high antioxidant content, but here's the catch. They are extremely high in sugar. At 15 grams of sugar per cup, grapes can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, especially in people who are prone to insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, 2 conditions that become more common after 50. The natural sugars in grapes are quickly absorbed, which leads to blood sugar fluctuations and can contribute to weight gain, a major risk factor for heart disease. Second on the list is another fruit you might not expect: bananas. While bananas are known for their potassium, they're also incredibly high in carbohydrates and sugar. One medium banana contains about 14 grams of sugar and over 27 grams of carbs. Consuming bananas regularly can spike your insulin levels, which may lead to fat storage, and for those over 50, this could contribute to belly fat accumulation, a dangerous type of fat linked to heart disease. Instead, opt for low-carb, low-sugar fruits like berries, which provide similar nutrients without the sugar overload. Lastly, we have pineapple. Pineapples are packed with vitamin C and bromelain, but they also contain an alarming amount of sugar, 16 grams per cup. Pineapple's high glycemic index can cause your blood sugar to spike, which is especially concerning for those at risk of diabetes or already dealing with metabolic syndrome, a condition affecting many people over 50. While pineapples can be enjoyed occasionally, consuming them regularly can impact your blood sugar control and even lead to joint inflammation due to the excess sugar. So, why does sugar matter so much after 50? Well, sugar is linked to a variety of health issues, from heart disease to inflammation and even accelerated aging. Our bodies don't metabolize sugar as efficiently as we age, which can lead to higher risks of chronic diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular issues. Cutting back on high sugar fruits can make a massive difference in your overall health, helping you stay fit, avoid diseases, and keep your body functioning at its best. Now, you may be wondering, what fruits are safe to eat after 50? Well, here are a few great alternatives that are low in sugar, high in fiber, and packed with antioxidants. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are great choices. They're low in sugar, high in fiber, and packed with antioxidants that support brain health and fight inflammation. Avocados, technically a fruit, are an excellent source of healthy fats that promote heart health and help manage weight. Apples are another great option, providing fiber that helps with digestion and keeps blood sugar levels stable. So there you have it. By avoiding high sugar fruits like grapes, bananas, and pineapples after 50, you can help protect your body from dangerous blood sugar spikes and other age-related health risks. Instead, focus on nutrient-dense, low-sugar fruits to keep your energy high, your skin glowing, and your heart healthy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more great health tips right here on FitLife Fusion. Stay healthy, and see you next time.